Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn magnificent success story of Mary Kom, chapter from English subject. Mary Kom, hailing from Kangte village in Manipur, is the eldest daughter of Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. Growing up in a humble family that worked in jute fields, Mary faced and overcame numerous hardships. Despite educational setbacks, she completed her schooling and graduation. As the eldest sibling, she assisted her parents in the fields and cared for her younger siblings. Mary had a passion for sports from a young age, initially focusing on athletics. Inspired by the success of Dinko Singh, she decided to pursue boxing in 2000. She quickly learned the basics and, despite familial opposition, continued her training under Coach Sri Ibomcha Singh at the Sports Authority of India. Mayur's boxing career took off when she won a silver medal at her debut Women's World Boxing Championship in 2001. She went on to win multiple world titles, becoming a five-time world boxing champion and earning the nickname Magnificent Mary. Mary Kom also made history as the first person from Northeast India to win an Olympic bronze medal in 2012. Throughout her career, she has balanced her roles as a mother and a champion, inspiring many with her determination, strong heart, and fighting spirit. She is a recipient of several prestigious awards, including the Arjuna Award, the Padma Shri, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Let's explore the new words and their meanings from this chapter. Jhum, process of growing crops by clearing land of vegetation and burning them for good soil. Arena, stage or scene. Triggered, caused. Revolution, a sudden and extreme change. Pugilist, boxer. Goliath, a biblical gained. Inspiration, stimulate. Answer these questions orally. Question: Who are Mary Kom's parents? Answer: Mary Kom's parents are Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. Question: How did Mary Kom help her parents? Answer: Mary Kom helped her parents by working in the fields, cutting wood, making charcoal, and fishing. She also took care of her younger siblings. Question: Why did Mary hide her interest in boxing from her family in the beginning? Answer: Mary hid her interest in boxing from her family initially because boxing was not considered a suitable sport for women in their community. Question: Mention three important Mary Kom quotes. Answer: Three important quotes by Mary Kom are: I do not only rely on my technique or strength but also on my mind. To be a successful boxer, one must also have a strong heart. Some women are physically strong but fail when it comes to having a strong heart. One also must have the zeal and the right fighting spirit. People used to say that boxing is for men and not for women, and I thought I will show them someday. I promised myself and I proved myself. Question: Why is Mary Kom an inspiration for all women? Answer: Mary Kom is an inspiration for all women because she overcame numerous hardships and societal expectations to achieve extraordinary success in boxing. Her determination, strong will, and achievements demonstrate that women can excel in any field, breaking barriers and defying stereotypes. Discuss with your friends. Copy down the sentences and fill in the blanks with suitable words. When you read about Mary Kom's childhood, you come to know how she overcame hardship and inconveniences. The success of the woman boxer triggered a revolution in Manipur and inspired Mary to become a boxer. Boxing is usually seen as a male-dominated sport. But Mary Kom showed that it could also be a woman's sport. Rearrange some of the letters of the word given on the left below and form 3 words from each as shown in the example. Write them in the space provided. Write down the opposites of the following words in your book: new, old; dead, alive; proud, humble; patient, impatient; pleased, displeased; powerful, weak. Use the answers that you wrote for the above in the following sentences. When I saw the dog lying still for a long time, I thought it had died, but thankfully, it was alive. My father was displeased when he saw my low marks in arithmetic. Rima's grandmother walks very slowly because she is very weak. Only when a student is patient can he or she learn more. When we face difficulties, we should not become impatient. Look at the following sentences. I have a pet dog. He has a brown body, an orange spot on the forehead, and a white tail. He is the best dog in the world. The underlined words are called articles. A or an are called indefinite articles and are used for singular things. An is used before words beginning with the vowels a, e, I, or u when they stand for vowel sounds, whereas a is used before words beginning with consonants. The is called the definite article and is used when something is known. Fill in the blanks using articles a, an, or the wherever suitable in the paragraph. Complete the words given below by writing either IE or EI as appropriate. Thank you for joining the session. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content.